Apparently, Dollar Tree is raising their prices to $1.75. Let's talk about that in this video. I've been getting tagged in countless TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and on Facebook about Dollar Tree having a price increase. And a lot of you guys have said at your local Dollar Tree, things are $1.75. Now, I haven't seen that all across the board at my Dollar Tree, but I have noticed items going up a quarter here and there, 50 cents here and there. And at what point does it become now worth it to shop at Dollar Tree? So let's talk about some of the increases. So first off, the helium balloons at Dollar Tree. They were $1.25. Now they're $1.50. I still think they're a good price. However, you can go somewhere else and get it cheaper. For instance, the heart balloons that Dollar Tree carries. At Five Below, you can get them for $1 with helium included. However, they are 1 inch smaller. They are 17 inches versus Dollar Tree's heart balloon, which is 18 inches. I think for most of us, that 1 inch difference isn't a big deal, especially if you're going to be buying a bunch of balloons. But Dollar Tree still has great balloons at the price. For instance, any of their character balloons like Paw Patrol and Mickey Mouse. But again, it's a quarter increase. So it's like, where do I prefer to spend my money? On Amazon, you can get balloons in bulk for a really great price. Yes, you're going to be paying more for a bunch of them. However, when you take the price for each balloon, it's going to come out to less than what you would spend at Dollar Tree. The prices are so all over the place right now at Dollar Tree that I saw a TikTok account where there was a price checker at their local Dollar Tree. We're at a point now where you're shopping at Dollar Tree and you're like, I don't know if this is just $1.25. Another item that has gone up are the reading glasses. They are $1.50, so a 20% increase from the $1.25. I cannot speak on the quality of these glasses because I've never used them. The cheapest I could find them are at Dollar Tree, and then I found something around $3.99 at Michael's craft stores, and then at Walmart around $6. When I go to Dollar Tree, I do notice people looking at the reading glasses, and I see them buy quite a few pairs, so I feel like they probably get the job done just based off of how many times I go to the store and I see people purchasing these glasses. There's also a 25-cent increase on the sunglasses, which I use a lot. The cheapest place I can find sunglasses is at Dollar Tree. The quality of the sunglasses, they get the job done, but if you get something that's like better quality, you're going to notice a difference. It does a better job at blocking things. So for instance, I have a floater in my left eye. I have had it for well over a decade now. So I always wear sunglasses when I go outside. If I don't, I see this, basically it's like this invisible squiggly line. It's kind of hard to describe. And if I don't have sunglasses on, I see it. If I wear them, I don't see it. So I can notice the difference when I'm wearing something that's a better quality sunglass than the Dollar Tree ones. However, I always lose sunglasses, so I prefer to buy them at Dollar Tree. But what point is it where they keep doing these increases where it's no longer worth it for me to buy the sunglasses at Dollar Tree? I don't know. It's just everything keeps slowly creeping up. And I know when they changed the prices to $1.25, they said it's not going to change for a while. And honestly, that was only 2 years ago that they changed it to $1.25. So I just feel like if they keep increasing prices here and there, it's like, when is it where everything there is going to be $5? The 1.25 Coke and Pepsi products have gone up 40%. They are now $1.75. I thought it was such a great price when you could get them for $1, even at $1.25. Now it's starting to get very similar in price to other stores. And lots of times at other stores, you can find these Coke products on sale where you're getting them cheaper than what you would pay for them at Dollar Tree. And I know convenience is a very important thing when you're talking about Dollar Tree and these price increases. Before I could drive, the closest store to me was a Dollar Tree, and I would walk to the Dollar Tree. And so I would save money, even if I'm paying $1.75 on something I could get cheaper somewhere else, than traveling and then wasting gas traveling or having to take a bus to get to a different store. So I know this all comes into play. It's not just black and white, this and that. So like, keep this in mind when I'm talking about things. I'm not necessarily slamming Dollar Tree, but again, at what point is it where like these DIYs that I do are completely pointless because I could go buy something somewhere else because it's going to be cheaper to make it out of products from a different place, or it's just going to be cheaper to buy it already done. Ice is the biggest increase I've seen. It went from $1.25 to $2, which is a 60% increase. I'm not here to argue about Dollar Tree raising their prices because at the end of the day, they're a company. I can't change that. I cannot control that. I can just change where I choose to spend my money. So let me know down in the comments below below if you guys are going to continue shopping at Dollar Tree. I still am. Of course, most of the items are still $1.25. But what stinks is now you go into Dollar Tree, you pick up an item, and you don't even know if that item is $1.25. I once went to Dollar Tree. I got these Pokemon cards. They were sitting amongst all the toys, and I was thinking, oh wow, they're $1.25. I go to check out, and they were actually $5 per pack. And I didn't know this because they're sitting amongst all of the other items that are $1.25, and they're not labeled $5. And this happens quite often where I'm going through the store, there is something from the plus section and sitting amongst stuff that is $1.25. I go to check out and they're like, hey, this is not $1.25. The good thing I've seen is the items that have the price increase, they are labeled that. However, the sunglasses and the reading glasses, they say $1.50, but they say it at the top. And so if you're not looking at that small little $1.50 up there, you're thinking there's still $1.25. So yes, again, I will continue to shop at Dollar Tree, but there comes a point where some items aren't worth it anymore. You guys know my channel. I love to craft on this channel, and specifically with Dollar Tree items, because to get items at Dollar Tree to craft with is the cheapest place that you can go to for craft items. However, some of the increases make it where, hey, I might as well go to Michael's for something. I might as well go to Hobby Lobby for something else. I will say the plus section, when they first introduced that, I was not about it. However, I have learned to appreciate it. For instance, this wreath behind me was $5. To make that with Dollar Tree products for $1.25 per item, I'm not gonna get a wreath that big. I'm not gonna get a wreath that full looking. So it makes more sense for me to buy it already done in the plus section and then add to that. The Peeps pillow right there, it was $5 to get the same pillow at Target or Walmart. You're spending way more than just $5. So in that section, I actually appreciate most of the pricing on items. They're cleaning items. It's kind of like I'd rather go somewhere else and use a coupon somewhere else and maybe get points back at a different store versus Dollar Tree. And I will say, with the Dollar Tree price increases and the oversaturation when it comes to Dollar Tree content on the internet, it is making me change my approach to how I upload my own videos. I try to make DIYs that are very unique. I try not to do things where I can buy it cheaper somewhere else. And if it's something that you can technically buy cheaper somewhere else, I try to make it different. For instance, my hot cocoa bar. I had gotten so many comments, I can go buy that cheaper. And when they're talking about that, they're talking about a crate that says hot cocoa across it. My hot cocoa bars aren't that. My hot cocoa bars can be switched over for every single holiday, not just one holiday. So I try to bring unique items that when you make them, they look amazing and they are also something that you probably can't buy somewhere else. Or if you're making them, it's going to be cheaper to make them than to buy them, especially if you're making them in bulk. And with that being said, I'm trying to change my approach to how I upload on social media now, because before I always upload to YouTube first. But with the introduction of TikTok and Instagram Reels, there are so many other Dollar Tree accounts. And when I upload something, when I'm uploading it to YouTube first, I find that my ideas get stolen fast. And my videos will be uploaded in whole on different accounts, or my ideas will be taken and I'm never credited. So what I am doing moving forward is I have been uploading my DIYs first to TikTok and then Instagram Reels before I upload to YouTube. Because if I'm going to be putting these ideas out for other people to monetize off of, I want to be able to monetize off of my own ideas. You know, this is my full-time job and this is how I make money. So if I'm uploading something, for instance, pretend I made this right here. If I'm uploading this and I put this on my channel, somebody sees that, they upload it to TikTok or they upload it to Instagram Reels before I get to it, their video does better automatically, and then I don't get the same amount of views because people have already seen it. So I've taken a different approach to getting my stuff out first on those social media accounts before I do it on YouTube. So if you want to follow me, you can. I'm bargain.bethany on TikTok and I'm bargainbethany on Instagram. And that's where I have tried to shift focus and shift what I'm doing, because things have just changed so much in the Dollar Tree space. So I have just decided to change my approach when I upload to social media. And I'm not saying everything I create is unique. Heck no. Most of the things I create are not unique, but I do have some things like my moving broom, my vanity that I made out of crates, my vanity mirror. I made that years ago. I've been doing Dollar Tree videos for almost 9 years now. I am a part of the original Dollar Tree content creators on YouTube. A lot of us have been doing it for a very long time, long before TikTok and Instagram Reels were a thing. So that's been weighing heavily on my mind. when it comes to Dollar Tree and moving forward, like I said, with my content. How do I share items from Dollar Tree that are actually worth it, that you cannot get as cheap at Dollar Tree somewhere else? And how do I create content that makes it worth it to make it out of Dollar Tree products, and then also bring you guys original ideas and how I share those ideas? I have so many thoughts about this, but let me know, again, are you going to continue shopping at Dollar Tree if they keep raising their prices? At what point is it no longer worth it to you? Also, let me know, is there price changes that I missed? Maybe, you know, everything at your local Dollar Tree is $1.75. Do you have price checkers at your Dollar Tree? Please let me know down in the comments below. I don't know. We'll see where this channel continues to take me and what direction I want to go in. I do want to do more things that are not just specifically Dollar Tree, and I felt this way for a very long time. It's just that Dollar Tree does well. Dollar Tree is what gets the views on YouTube and is what gets the views on TikTok. If I'm doing like a Hobby Lobby only video, you know, I'm not going to get the same amount of views. If I'm doing just a Walmart video, I won't get the same amount of views, and that all plays a role in how I choose the videos I upload, because though I want to do those videos, I know that they're just not going to perform the same. And then if I continue to do videos like that, that will kill off my channel. So I don't know. It's just, there's a lot going on in here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I mean, maybe you learned something new, maybe you didn't. I appreciate you guys. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.